Right now, in your pocket, in your wallet, in your spare change jar, there's a dollar that's quietly costing you $47,000. Not because you spent it wrong, because you didn't invest it at all. Most people hear that and assume it's a gimmick. It's not, it's math. And once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. Why we ignore $1. Here's the problem. A dollar feels too small to matter. It's not a financial decision, it's just nothing. So we skip tracking it, we skip investing it. We tell ourselves we'll start when we have real money. But wealth isn't built with the money you plan to invest someday. It's built with the money you dismiss today. Let's do the actual math. No exaggeration, no rounded up fantasy numbers. If you invest just $1 a day, about $365 a year, into a simple, low-cost index fund, averaging an 8% annual return, which is a conservative, realistic, long-term estimate, not investing's best year. Its average, after 32 years, that adds up to roughly $47,000. You didn't put in $47,000. You put in about $11,680 total. The other $35,000. That's compound interest, money your money made without you lifting a finger. That's the part most people never get taught. Growth isn't linear. It's slow for the first decade and explosive by the third. Now bring this back to real life. That $1 isn't hypothetical. It's the difference between a small coffee and a large one. It's one unused subscription you forgot to cancel. It's the roundup on your card that vanishes into nothing. You're not being asked to change your life. You're being asked to redirect a dollar you're already not noticing. So why don't people do this? It's not laziness, it's psychology. Our brains are wired to weigh this dollar, right now, against a future that feels abstract. $47,000 in 3 decades doesn't feel real. A coffee in your hand right now does. That's the barrier, not math, not access, not intelligence, just perception. The people who build wealth aren't smarter. They just stopped waiting for the right amount to start. Here's the actionable part. You don't need a financial advisor or a complicated plan. 1. Open a low-cost index fund account. Most take under 10 minutes. 2. Automate a small daily or weekly transfer, even if it's $1 or $5. 3. Never touch it. Let time, not timing, do the work. That dollar in your pocket isn't small. It's a decision. Invest it, and in 30 years, it's tens of thousands of dollars working for you. Ignore it, and in 30 years, it's just gone. The choice was never about the dollar. It was always about the decision you make with it today. Start with $1. Start today.